Imagine standing 10 feet away from changing your entire life. The cameras are rolling. Millions of people will eventually watch this moment. Mr. Beast looks at you and says, "One more challenge." Your heart starts racing. You've already survived hours, maybe even days of impossible tasks. People have been eliminated one by one. Now only a few contestants remain. You can already picture it. The house, the money, paying off your parents' debt, quitting your job, starting over. For the first time, those dreams don't feel impossible. They feel close enough to touch. The challenge begins. At first, you're confident. Every decision feels right. The crowd cheers. Even the crew starts believing you might actually win. Then, one tiny mistake. Maybe your hand slips. Maybe you hesitate for 1 second. Maybe someone else simply performs better. Silence. Mr. Beast walks over. You've been eliminated. That's it. No dramatic music, no second chance. Just a sentence. A dream that existed a few seconds ago disappears. You smile for the camera. You shake everyone's hand. You tell yourself you're happy for the winner. But inside, your brain keeps replaying that one moment. If I had moved faster, if I had chosen differently, if I hadn't looked away. Those thoughts follow you home. Friends recognize you. Millions watched you lose. Strangers comment, "You were so close." And somehow those 4 words hurt more than losing because they remind you how thin the line was between your old life and a completely different future. Months later, life feels normal again. You go back to work, back to your routine, but every time a new Mr. Beast video appears, you wonder, what if that had been me? And that's the strange thing about losing a Mr. Beast challenge. You don't just lose money, you lose a future that almost became real.